Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include SRT performance spoiler, power sunroof, wheels, 20-inch x 9.0 inches black noise, STD, black Scat Pack logo houndstooth seat, F8 green, quick order package 24 grams RT Scat Pack included, engine 6.4 LV8 SRT Hemi MDS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 3.09 rear axle ratio, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, included, auto leather-wrapped shift knob auto stick automatic transmission remote start system with smart key steering wheel mounted shift control tip start, tires 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, an Alpine audio group with subwoofer included, 506 watt amplifier 9 amplifier.